Are you tired of the same old boring morning rituals that never seem to motivate you? Imagine for a second if we told you about an elixir that, although simple, could change your mornings and give you energy all day long. We are talking about Rosemary Tea, a rejuvenating blend that can unlock a world of benefits for your spirit, body, and mind. Drinking a glass of tea infused with rosemary first thing in the morning is like setting out on a quest for unparalleled health and vitality. Rosemary tea benefits have been implemented for centuries in traditional medicine and culinary practices. This aromatic herb is replete with health benefits such as memory enhancement, supporting digestion, anti-inflammatory actions, and potential anti-cancer properties. Rosemary boasts numerous benefits that cannot be fully covered in a single video. However, today we'll focus on the most significant benefits of rosemary tea. Some key benefits include: Number 1. Beneficial for digestive health. If you want a healthy digestive system and a happy gut, drink some rosemary tea. Additionally, it improves nutrient absorption, keeps good bacteria in the intestines, and decreases flatulence and gas. One component of rosemary tea, carnosic acid, helps maintain a healthy intestinal microbiome. A balanced microbiome in the digestive tract improves immunity to infections, which in turn improves fat metabolism and aids in weight loss. Number 2. Improves mood and memory. Rosemary tea can do wonders for your mood and memory. It can make you feel happier, smarter, and more relaxed. Don't believe me? Just look at the evidence. Several studies have shown that rosemary tea can lower anxiety, improve memory, and enhance sleep quality. For example, one study found that college students who drank rosemary tea twice a day for a month felt less stressed and slept better than those who drank a placebo. Another study found that workers who drank rosemary tea every day for 2 months felt less burned out at their jobs. But rosemary tea is not the only way to enjoy its benefits. You can also inhale its aroma and feel its effects on your brain and mood. One study found that smelling rosemary aroma for a few minutes before a mental test improved concentration, performance, and mood in 20 healthy young adults. Another study found that smelling rosemary oil stimulated brain activity and mood in 20 healthy adults, increasing their energy level, blood pressure, heart rate, and breathing rate after inhaling the oil. Rosemary tea can also help you balance your emotions by supporting your gut health and reducing inflammation in your brain. Its extract can promote a healthy mix of gut bacteria and reduce inflammation in the hippocampus, which is the part of your brain that controls emotions, learning, and memory. So if you want to boost your mood and memory, try rosemary tea. It will not only soothe your senses but also stimulate your mind. Number 3. Stimulate hair growth and cleans the skin. Rosemary tea can be beneficial for your hair in several ways. For one, it can help stimulate hair growth. The nutrients in it can also help to strengthen your hair and prevent breakage. Rosemary tea can also improve blood circulation to the scalp, which can promote healthy hair growth. In one study, it was found that when mice suffering from lower levels of testosterone in their system were increased, it can help them grow back more hair than before. This could indicate how this would work with humans too, but we're still waiting on verification studies before giving our opinion. Number 4. Help reduce blood pressure. Did you know that rosemary tea can actually help in controlling blood sugar levels? This is especially important for people with diabetes, as high blood sugar levels can have harmful effects on various organs like the eyes, heart, kidneys, and nerves. So, it's crucial to keep those blood sugar levels in check. The reason why rosemary tea is beneficial is because it contains natural compounds like carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid, which work similarly to insulin in your body. Insulin is the hormone that helps your cells absorb glucose from your blood, which is the primary source of energy for your body. By mimicking this effect, carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid help your muscle cells take up glucose from your blood, thereby lowering your blood sugar levels. So, if you're looking for a natural ally to manage your blood sugar levels, consider giving rosemary tea a try. Number 5. Helps lose weight. Rosemary tea can also help with weight loss. The polyphenols in rosemary tea can help to boost metabolism and promote fat burning. This herb can also help to suppress appetite, making it easier to stick to a healthy diet. A cup of rosemary tea before meals may help you eat less and control your portions better throughout the day. This is perfect for anyone who's trying to manage their weight healthier way. Adding this little habit into your routine could make a big difference over time. Number 6. Respiratory health improvement. Let me share something fascinating about rosemary tea. It has an incredible ability to improve your breathing, especially if you're dealing with respiratory issues. Imagine savoring a warm cup of rosemary tea as its invigorating aroma works its magic, clearing your nose and throat. It's like a gentle breeze that alleviates the discomfort caused by mucus and inflammation from infections, colds, flu, or allergies. But wait, there's more. It can even help ease those bothersome headaches that often accompany respiratory illnesses. So, if you're feeling all stuffed up or achy, I highly recommend giving rosemary tea a try. Not only will it warm you up from the inside, but it will also work wonders in opening up your airways, making breathing easier. It's like a breath of fresh air in a cup. Remember, my friend, the power of nature is truly amazing. So, brew yourself some comforting rosemary tea and let it bring relief to your respiratory woes. You'll be astounded by how something so simple can make a significant difference in how you feel. Number 7, rosemary tea help you sleep. Rosemary tea is absolutely amazing for promoting better sleep, you know? The plant compounds in rosemary herbal tea can help us relax our minds and bodies, making it easier to fall asleep. Plus, it can also reduce stress levels, which is so important for improving sleep quality. If you're someone who struggles with insomnia, drinking a cup of rosemary herbal tea before bed could be a natural and effective way to improve your sleep, no doubt about it. And get this, the benefits of rosemary go beyond just its nutritional value. There was this one study that found taking 500 milligrams twice daily for 1 month actually significantly lowered anxiety levels and improved sleep quality among college students. Pretty cool, right? Safety and side effects. Rosemary is an incredible herb, but just like anything else, going overboard can be harmful. If you have too much rosemary, you might experience some serious side effects like vomiting, spasms, coma, fluid in the lungs, or even miscarriage. So, pregnant ladies, be extra cautious and steer clear of rosemary supplements as it could put your little ones at risk. Just remember, enjoy rosemary in moderation and stick to the recommended doses. How to make rosemary tea at home. To make rosemary tea, you'll combine just 2 ingredients, rosemary and water. First of all, start by boiling water and adding fresh or dried rosemary. Steep for 5-10 minutes, then strain and enjoy. You can also add honey to tea or lemon to your rosemary tea if you like. If you're using fresh rosemary, make sure to remove the leaves before drinking as they can be bitter. Rosemary tea is a great way to enjoy the benefits of rosemary. It's easy to make and can be enjoyed hot or cold. We hope you had a great time going through the information. Feel free to share any other benefits that rosemary brings in the comments below. And hey, don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much.